Hello, this is Alex from the Worcester Public Library, back for another one of my weekly videos for tips and tricks for using the library's resources. And today I wanted to talk to you about a really great resource that you may have known that we have the print guides, but you may not have known that you can access many of these electronically, and that is the SAMS Photofact guides. Now, if you're interested in checking these out, you can go to our website, mywpl.org, and then go under Resources, and then click on Online Databases. And now one thing you might notice, if you have seen some of my previous videos, is we have a brand new database page on the library's website, which looks really great. You can see some information about all of the various databases that we have. You can see if you need a Worcester Library card or any CW Mars card. If, for instance, there's a little tutorial video, you can click on this to get a tutorial. But in this case, what we're going to do is scroll down to Photofact Online, the SAMS Photofact. And if you were doing this from home, you'd click on Home, and it would ask you to put in your Worcester Public Library card number and PIN. But since I'm in the library today, I will click on In Library to log myself in. Now, what SAMS Photofact is, that is basically guides for repairing electronic equipment. Now, mostly people use this for instance, repairing a television or, say, a DVD player or a radio or something like that. If you have maybe an old VHS player, if you're a hobbyist, that's where something like the Photofact would be really useful. So you can search by, for instance, a particular model number if you see it on the side of what you're trying to repair. But you can also browse as well. So if you go under, say, manuals right here, you can browse by brand. So let's say that I had a Samsung, and you can see all these SAM numbers, model numbers. So let's just pick one. Let's just pick one at random. And if you want to take a look and download these, what you do is you just click on this one right here, and what that's going to do is download it as a PDF generally, and we can click and open that up. So this looks like it's sort of an old school television. They have them dating back pretty far as well. You can see all sorts of information. Now, I am not an electronics expert, so I'm not 100% sure what all of these mean. But I know that the SAMS, the print books, are incredibly popular from people coming into the library who want to repair items. So if you are the type of person who knows exactly what these diagrams mean, then the SAMS Photofact online database might be perfect for you. So again, this was Alex from the Worcester Public Library. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll check out the SAMS Photofacts online, and stay tuned next week for another video from me. Thanks for watching.